The Pasig River, a lifeline flowing through the heart of Manila. For centuries, this vital waterway has played a pivotal role in the story of the Philippines. In the 16th century, the Pasig River was a bustling center of trade and transportation. Spanish galleons laden with goods sailed its waters. Connecting Manila Bay to Laguna de Bay, the river was the lifeblood of the growing city. But the Pasig River is more than just a waterway, it is a silent witness to history. Its banks have seen the rise and fall of empires. They hold the stories of generations past. Today, the Pasig River stands as a reminder of the enduring connection between humanity and nature. It is a testament to the power of a river to shape the destiny of a nation. As Manila grew, so too did the pressures on the Pasig River. Industrialization took its toll. Factories sprang up along the riverbanks, discharging their waste into its once pristine waters. The population of Manila exploded. With it came a surge in domestic waste. Plastics, sewage, and chemicals found their way into the river. The once teeming ecosystem began to suffocate. The decline of the Pasig River was a tragedy. Fish populations plummeted. The air grew thick with the stench of pollution. The river, once a source of life, had become a symbol of neglect. Yet, even in its darkest hour, the Pasig River held the promise of renewal. The spirit of the Filipino people, their resilience and deep connection to their land, would not allow this vital waterway to be forgotten. The Pasig River is more than just a waterway. It is an ecological and economic artery. Its health is directly linked to the well-being of millions of Filipinos. This vital waterway serves as a natural drainage system for Metro Manila. It helps to regulate flooding during the monsoon season, protecting homes and businesses. The river also supports a diverse ecosystem. Mangrove forests along its banks provide habitat for fish, birds, and other wildlife. These ecosystems are crucial for maintaining biodiversity. Furthermore, the Pasig River has the potential to be an economic asset. A clean and vibrant river could support tourism, recreation, and transportation. Revitalizing the Pasig River is not just about environmental protection, it is about investing in the health, well-being, and prosperity of the Filipino people. The year 2024 marks a turning point in the history of the Pasig River. A renewed sense of hope has emerged. The government, together with local communities and international organizations, has embarked on an ambitious mission to bring the Pasig River back to life. The 2024 Pasig River Rehabilitation Project is a multifaceted initiative. It combines cutting-edge technology with community engagement. The goal is not just to clean the river, but to restore it to its former glory. This project represents a paradigm shift. It acknowledges that the health of the Pasig River is inextricably linked to the well-being of the people who live along its banks. The 2024 project signifies a new era of cooperation. It highlights the power of collective action to address complex environmental challenges. Section 5, Cleaning the Lifeblood, Key Initiatives and Innovations. At the heart of the 2024 project lie several key initiatives. These initiatives utilize innovative technologies and strategies to tackle the root causes of the river's pollution. One of the most significant initiatives is the construction of new wastewater treatment plants. These plants will treat sewage and industrial waste before it enters the river. This will drastically reduce the amount of pollutants entering the waterway. Another key focus is solid waste management. The project includes the deployment of trash collecting boats and river barriers. These measures aim to prevent plastic and other debris from entering the river. Furthermore, the project emphasizes the importance of community engagement. Educational programs are being rolled out to teach residents about proper waste disposal and the importance of protecting the river. These initiatives, driven by innovation and a commitment to collaboration, are already yielding positive results. The Pasig River is gradually shedding its polluted past and embracing a brighter future. Section 6. Partners in Revival. Collaborating for a cleaner future. The ambitious task of reviving the Pasig River requires a collaborative effort. The 2024 project has successfully brought together a diverse group of stakeholders, each playing a crucial role in the river's restoration. The Philippine government, through various agencies, is providing the necessary funding, infrastructure, and policy support. Their commitment is crucial for the project's long-term success. Local communities are actively involved in every step of the process. Their knowledge of the river and their willingness to participate are invaluable assets. They are the true stewards of the Pasig River. International organizations such as the United Nations Environment Program and the Asian Development Bank are providing technical expertise and financial assistance. Their global experience in river restoration is proving instrumental. Private sector partners are also contributing to the project. They bring their resources, technology, and innovative solutions to the table, demonstrating the power of public-private partnerships. Section 7. Global Inspiration Success Stories of River Restoration. The challenges facing the Pasig River are not unique. Around the world, rivers have suffered from pollution and neglect. However, there are also inspiring stories of successful river restoration projects that offer valuable lessons for the Pasig River's revival. The River Thames in London, once declared biologically dead, is now a thriving ecosystem. Years of dedicated efforts to reduce pollution and restore habitats have brought the river back to life. Similarly, the Cheonggyecheon River in Seoul, South Korea was once a neglected concrete channel. Today it is a vibrant urban oasis thanks to a massive restoration project that prioritized ecological restoration and public access. These success stories demonstrate that even heavily polluted rivers can be brought back to life with sustained commitment, innovative solutions, and community engagement. Section 8. A restored ecosystem environmental impact of the revival. The ongoing efforts to revive the Pasig River are already having a positive impact on the surrounding environment. As the water quality improves, the river's ecosystem is slowly but surely beginning to heal. One of the most visible signs of recovery is the return of aquatic life. Fish species that had disappeared from the river are now being spotted again. Their presence is a testament to the improving health of the waterway. The reduction in pollution is also benefiting plant life along the riverbanks. Mangrove forests, which play a crucial role in protecting the shoreline and providing habitat for wildlife, are showing signs of regeneration. The improved water quality is also having a positive impact on air quality in the surrounding areas. The foul odors that once plagued communities living near the river are diminishing. Section 9. Life returns to the water, biodiversity flourishes. The Pasig River, once choked with pollution, is showing remarkable signs of ecological recovery. The return of various species is a testament to the success of the ongoing rehabilitation efforts. Fish, once scarce, are now being caught in increasing numbers. Species like tilapia, mudfish, and even the iconic milkfish are making a comeback, indicating improving water quality and oxygen levels. Bird life is also returning to the river. Herons, egrets, and kingfishers are once again seen perching on the banks, attracted by the increasing abundance of fish and a healthier habitat. The presence of these creatures is not merely anecdotal. Scientists are closely monitoring the river's biodiversity. Their findings confirm a resurgence of life, indicating that the Pasig River is on the path to recovery. This revival of biodiversity is not just an ecological victory, it's a beacon of hope, demonstrating the resilience of nature and the positive impact of human intervention. Section 10. The rivers embrace community impact and engagement. The revitalization of the Pasig River is not just an environmental endeavor, it's transforming the lives of the communities living along its banks. The river, once a symbol of pollution and neglect, is now becoming a source of pride and opportunity. With improved water quality, residents are rediscovering the river's recreational potential. Families can be seen enjoying picnics along the revitalized riverbanks. Fishermen, once resigned to meager catches, are now experiencing a resurgence in their livelihood. The rehabilitation project has also created jobs. Locals are employed in river cleanup initiatives, construction of infrastructure, and maintenance of public spaces. This has injected much-needed economic activity into these communities. Beyond the tangible benefits, there's a renewed sense of community spirit. Residents are actively participating in river cleanup drives, tree planting activities, and educational programs, taking ownership of their revitalized waterway. Section 11. Looking ahead. A sustainable future for the Pasig River. The journey to revive the Pasig River is far from over. However, the significant progress made in 2024 has painted a vision of a brighter future for this vital waterway and the communities it sustains. The challenge now lies in ensuring the sustainability of these efforts. Continuous monitoring of water quality, enforcement of environmental regulations, and community education are crucial to prevent the river from slipping back into its polluted past. The vision is to transform the Pasig River into a model of urban river rehabilitation. Imagine a future where the river teems with life, where families gather for recreation, and where its waters reflect the vibrancy of a sustainable future. The Pasig River's story is a powerful reminder that even the most polluted environments can be restored with dedication, innovation, and community involvement. It's a testament to the power of collective action and a beacon of hope for a greener, healthier future.